can't remember your TikTok password. Is there anything that you can do?
Try 0000000. No.
Here is how to log in on TikTok without a password. This is an OBS guide and all I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee because you're awesome and this video is aesthetically pleasing, I hope. And second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram. It's free that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe with bell notifications on if you are new. Okay, so the first way to actually recover a TikTok account without a password is by clicking on signing up, can't log in, and trying to recover it via an email, username, or a phone number. And I have a whole video on how to do that, you can see in the cards above. But you just type in something, for example, I'll type in my phone, click next, we have a verification which is really hard, and then if you don't have your phone number or your Google account, submit verification form, and you gotta enter a bunch of information like username, phone number, location, sign up date, maybe your ID, some famous TikTok that you had. This is the first option. The second option is after you signed up on a friend's account, click on the three dashes right here, then click on report a problem, then click on cannot log in with Instagram or account and profile, then logging in or stolen passwords, and then go from there. And you can say that it didn't help and you have an option to do that. But if you don't have any of these options, there's an easier way for some people and it's actually the last resort. And the way to do that is typing in Google TikTok Plus, and it's the same thing for Android or for iOS, and that's why I'm saying it in Google, because the websites to actually download it vary and do it at your own risk. Here is the APK version, I guess, for Android. There's also an iOS version if we just type in iOS, and with it you can actually log in. Yeah, there's some ways to do it from what I can see down below. With it, as I said, you can actually download without a password. If you need any help, have any questions, comment in the comments down below. I reply to every single comment. And you know what? I'll shout your TikTok account. Just comment your TikTok username down below. I'll shout you out. Here's the shout out winner on this episode. Bioriver Cracker 261 on TikTok. TikTok. Do you know this song? This is so much for today's episode, and remember that a video day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, one of these videos, check them now.